Look at that. Kissing curbs, y'all. Kissing curbs. What's up, pilots? Every flight is a lesson. The mission today is to fly low and fast, touching grass, kissing curbs, and burning rubber. Welcome aboard. Let's go ahead and send it. All right. Here it is. Touching grass. So it's really about the feeling. It's literally about the feeling, not the speed. You could be flying slow but close to the grass and it will feel like you're going really fast. It's going dip here. It's going up. See, it's not going really fast, but when you get close to the ground, it feels like you are. I was turning too many rights, so I'm gonna try to turn left now. I mean, I was turning left, I want to be turning right. The 3.6 inch prop, it's amazing. It's amazing for 6S. 6S and 3.6 inch props, this is like the best combination ever. It gives you that power. It gives you that really good power. See, it's about the feeling. It's really about the feeling. When you get close to the ground, you feel that rush. You don't have to be really going fast in order for you to feel that. Woo! That was close. Kissing curbs. Burning rubber. That's what I'm talking about. Was in the tower. So YouTube has been giving people that use an AI a hard time, and I'll be putting like a 3 seconds video or 3 seconds of music from AI, which is really my favorite. Those AI, they're singing really nice because they touch exactly how I feel. They touch that feeling, and other songs don't. and they've been giving people a hard time about him. So I put like only 30 seconds video, not video, sound, and they're slapping a sticker on it on my video saying this video has been altered, significantly altered. So I said to myself, you know what, I'm not gonna use any music anymore in my videos. So instead I start recording the sound of the drone. I mount a mic on it. I'm right at the beginning now. I'm doing these tests and stuff like that. Very soon I will be making a video. If you like to be doing the same, I can help you do that, because I've been going through back and forward through these mics to make sure that I am recording really good quality sound, not just noise. If you don't mount it correctly, you will get just noise and the sound of air and stuff like that. So very soon I'll be making a video for that. Let's go ahead and look at that. Kissing curbs, y'all. Kissing curbs. So I'm being quiet, I'm paying attention. Woo! That was sketchy. That was really sketchy. When I turned, the wind was pushing me from the left and I almost hit that sign. I was trying to compensate for it, but it's a very tight spot. So where we have almost 7 minutes, it's not bad. So again, it's about the feeling. See, look, it's about the feeling. You get close to the ground and you feel in the rush. I'm not going like 28 miles per hour, that's not too fast. But it does feel fast because of that closer proximity. So here it is, the battery is down. I'm gonna go ahead and bring it back. 960 is 80% of the battery, which is enough. Let's go ahead and land it nicely. Oh! What happened? I forget to, I disarmed it, but I don't know what happened. All right, here it is. It's back. This is the mic I was telling you about. It wasn't a very nice landing, but it's a landing. Everything looks fine. Let me go ahead and turn off the mic. Thank you for flying with me. I appreciate you sticking all the way to the end. What do you think about the curb kissing? Thank you very much for watching and for joining, and we'll see you on the next mission.